Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Anything for Studies. Today's video will be very interesting because we are going to see the shortcut tricks of multiplication. The first number or the first magical number I am taking here is number 3. You will be wondering because 3 is a small digit number, why you need the trick for solving this. But believe me friends, if you solve by this method which I am going to explain, then you will save much of your time. A lot of time will be saved by solving this method. Let's start with a single digit number. The digit I am going to take is 9. 9 into 3, simply you know answer, 9 3s are 27. But for this method, what we are going to do, we are not directly multiplying this. What we are going to do is, we get the double of this number. The double of 9 is 18. Then we will add these two numbers. 9 plus 8 will be 17 and 1 plus 1 will be 27. You may say this is a lengthy method because you know directly the answer 9 into 3. This is a single digit number. But what if the number is multi-digit number? Suppose it may be 6 digits, maybe 7, or maybe more than that. Maybe the number is very large. For the sake of that, we have to understand this method. What is the method? We are not directly multiplying by 3, just we are taking the twice of the number. Twice of the 9 is 18 and then we are going to add. Let's take next example, 2-digit number 53 into 3. Now what we have to do? We have to take the double of the number. The double of 53 is 106. Then just add these two numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9 and the answer will be 159. Let's take a 3-digit number. 486 into 3. Now instead of doubling single digits, prefer to take 2 digits or pairs of numbers, because by this you will save much of your time. I am not taking the double of 4, I am directly taking the double of 48, and you should be able to take the double of any 2-digit number very quickly. For this method, this skill is very important. Without that, you will not save your time. Okay, what is the double of 48? You know, 96, and the double of 6 is 12. I am taking here the double of 1 digit, but the double we are getting is a 2-digit number. Therefore what you should do, you should write only 1 digit, units digit, and the next digit you should take as carry forward. Okay, then you have to add the numbers. 6 plus 2 will be 8, 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15, 9 plus 1 10, and 14 58 is your answer. Same principle. How many digit may be the number? The number may be 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, or n number of digits. You have to follow the same method for the multiplication of 3. Next, let's take a 4-digit number 9721 into 3. Again, firstly I will make the pair of numbers. The double of 97 is 194. You should be able to write this directly. Okay, the double of 21 will be 42. That's all. Just add them. 3 6 11 19 29163. Let's check the answer. The number here is 9721 into 3 equal to, check it, the answer is the same as on the whiteboard. Okay, you can also check it with your calculator or with your mobile. If you say you are going to make some trick, okay, I am not going to fool the mobile phone. Okay, let's take a 5-digit number. Again, 8 9 2 3 5 into 3. Again, what you have to do, you have to pair the numbers. There will be 2 pairs and there will be one single. Okay, 89 is 178, 23 46, 5 2s are 10. That's it, your answer is ready. 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 carry, 4 5 6 7, 9 plus 8 17, 8 plus 8 16, and 2 6 7 7 0 5. Let's check it again. 8 9 2 3 5 into 3. Here is the answer. You can cross check it, or if you don't believe this mobile, you can check it on your mobile phone. Okay, now some more examples. Let's increase the number of digits. After 5 digits, let's take a 6 digit number. 6 5 7 2 3 9 into 3. Again friends, instead of multiplying single digits separately, we are going to just double the number. The double of 65, the double of 72, and the double of 39. What is the double of 65? It is 130. 72 will be 144. 39 will be 78. That's it. 17, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 5, 6, 7, 9, and finally 1. 1971717. Let's check it again. No need to hurry, because the answer should be correct, otherwise the method will be useless. See friends. Okay, again let's increase the digit. Here we have taken 6 digit number. Let's take a 7 digit number. 7 8 6 5 7 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 into 3. First what we have to do, we have to form the pairs. Let's form it. 788 65 74, and the remaining is 7. Again take the double of this number. 156. 65 is 130. 74 is 148, and the 7 will be 14. Okay, let's add it. 11 8 9 10 14, 7 11 12, 5 6 7, 6 plus 9 3, 6 plus 3 9, 9 14 15, 13, 2 3 5 9 7 2 4 1. Let's check it. 7 8 6 5 7 4 7 into 3 equal to 2 3 5 9 7 2 4 1. You can check it friends. The answer is correct. Okay, let's take the final example of 3, or the trick of 3, the magical number 3. Okay, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. Okay, that's enough. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit number. The final example will be this. Next we will be moving to the next magical number. Okay, again form the pairs. 98, the double of 98 is 196. Double of 76 will be 152. Double of 54 will be 108, and the double of 32 is 64. Okay, let's add it. 6 9 12, again 6 6 7 8 9, 7 plus 5 12, 8 14 15 16, 9 9 18 19, and 2. The answer is interestingly 296 296 and 296. Again let's check it. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2, finally 2 into 3. See the answer. 296 296 and 296. Okay friends, hope you like this method. Let's see the next magical number. Till then you can subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel, and do comment how you feel about the videos. Okay friends, next magical number is magical number 5. Before that, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and if you are understanding the method, like the video and share it, and also how you feel about this video you can tell me with your comments. Okay, let's move to the 5. Again, let's first see what is the shortcut trick of 5. Let's take an example 22 into 5. While understanding the method for shortcut trick for 3, what we have done, we have taken the twice of the number, but here we are going to take the half of the number. See, what is half of 22? The half of 22 is 11, and this is the first step. Next step, what you are going to do, you are going to just add a 0 at the end. Okay, but how come this method has changed from this to this? Let's understand this. Before that, let's understand how the shortcut method of 3 actually works. Friends, actually I have taken the 3 as 1 plus 2. 3 I have written as 1 plus 2. Suppose here it is a number 4 and I have to multiply it by number 3. 4 ones will be 4. That is nothing but 1 times of this number. Then I am going to double this number, that will be 8. The answer will be 12. See, 1 plus 2 is 3. So I am dividing this as the multiple of 1 and multiple of 2. So we have doubled this number and added this, and we are getting the answers in just seconds. Maybe 20 seconds or 30 seconds you are getting your answer. Similarly, what you are going to do with the 5 is, pay attention, we are going to write the 5 as, suppose this is the number 22. I am not going to write 5. What I am doing, I am dividing it by 2 and then I am multiplying by 10. See what happens. If you cancel the numbers, you again are with the same expression. See, 2 5s are 10. This method is easy because you can directly take the half and just multiply by 10. Suppose there is an odd number 21 into 5. Now you have to solve this. What you do, you will take the half of this 21, half of it is 10.5. But the next step is you have to multiply by 10. So the decimal here will be gone after multiplying with the 10. The answer will be 105. Okay friends, let's take a 3-digit number 386 into 5. Okay, form the pairs 38 and 6. Half of 38 is 19, half of 6 is 3, and finally multiply by 10 or simply add 0. This is your answer. Okay, let's see some more examples. 376 into 5. Again form pairs 37. Half of 37 is difficult, so reduce the number by 1. Then here the number will become 16. Concentrate. What I have done, I cannot take the half of 37 because it will be in the decimals, so it will be difficult for me. So what I have done, I have reduced the number by 1. 37, if it is reduced by 1, you get 36, and the 1 is given to the 6. Okay, here we are with the number now 36. Half of 36 is 18. 18 to the 36, therefore half of it is 36. Next magical number is number 5. Before that, if you are understanding the method and if you are enjoying the trick, please do subscribe to the channel and like the video and share to the friends. as well as if you want to say anything about the video, you can comment below. Okay friends, next is number 5. How we are going to solve this? Anything or any number, if we want to multiply by 5, what we do? Let's understand with an example. First, we will half the number. What we do? First step is we will take the half of the number. In the short trick of 3, what we have done? We have doubled the number. That means we have multiplied the number. Here we are going to take the half of the number. That means we are going to divide the number by 2. Okay, what is the half of 22? It will be 11. Then the second step is just multiply by 10. After multiplying by 10, what you get? You get 110. That's it. You are with your answer. This is the short trick for the number multiplying 5. First step is take the half of the number, then multiply by 10. Okay, let's see a 3-digit number. 342 into 5. Instead of multiplying each digit, you can directly write the answer. Half of 34 is 17, half of 2 is 1, and finally add a 0. That means multiply by 10. This will be your answer. Okay, now let's take some other number. 392 into 5. Pay attention friends here. Here the number is odd number. 39 is an odd number. You cannot half the odd number, or you cannot take the half of odd number, because some remaining will be remaining. For that sake, what I am going to do? I am just reducing the number by 1. I am going to reduce the number by 1. After reducing the number now will become 38. No need to write 38 here. Just keep it in mind, this number has now become as 38 and the number remaining is not 2. Now it will be 12. Okay, the half of 38 is 19 and the half of 12 is 6. The final step is multiply by 0. Hope you are getting this method. This is a very simple and interesting method. Again, let's take another even number. 472 into 5. Here you can form the pairs from the right hand side. That is, first you can take the 72, then you can take 4. It will also give you the answer. If you take 47, then you will have to again change the number from 47 to 46 and finally you have to get the half of 12. Okay, you can do either way, but this way will be simple. Half of 4 is 2, half of 72 is 36. Okay, finally add a 0. Okay, let's see if the last digit is odd number. Till now we have solved the unit digit by taking it as a even number. Now let's see an odd number. Okay, 451 into 5. I have to multiply the 451 by 5. Now again make pairs which will be useful. Half of 4 is 2, half of 51 half of 51 is 25.5, not 25, it will be 25.5. 1 is remaining and the half of it will be 0.5. Now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply this by 10. No need to write here into 10, just for your understanding I am writing it here. Now the number becomes 225. Number of zeros here are 1, so the decimal point will move to the right by 1. Okay, one position it has moved to the right and it has moved to the new position here. Here you may keep the decimal or just this is the answer. What we are going to do? We are going to directly write the answer. Just I am explaining this. Okay, let's take 261 into 5. Now 135 130.5 will be the answer, but you are going to write 1305. This is the answer. Okay, here you have to multiply this by 10. Okay, let's take another example. Now let us take a 4-digit number. 6, 7, 2, 1 into 5. Again, this we have to convert it into 66, then this will become 121. Okay, half of 66 is 33, half of 121 will be 60.5. Directly I am writing here 5. No need to write 0.5 because you are going to again multiply by 10. So therefore the answer is, you can write it in a single line, 33605. Let's check it once. 6721 into 5. See friends, the answer is as same as on the whiteboard, 33605. Okay, let's take some bigger number. Now let's take a number which is having larger digits. 5, 2, 3, 6, 1, 8, 2, 4 into 5. Now the method is, take the half of this number. Again we will form the pairs. We will form the pairs. 52, the half of it is 26. 36, 18. 18, 0, 9. Pay attention here. You are not going to write as 9 because it is a 2-digit number. So you should get a 2-digit number only. If you get a single digit number, just add 0. Okay, then 24, here it will be 12. Finally you are going to multiply it with 0, or directly you can add with a 0 at the end. Let's check the answer. 52361824 into 5. See friends, 261,809, 120. Okay, now the next magical number will be 4. The next magical number is 4. Okay, let's first understand the method. Suppose there is a number 8 into 4. In the case of 3, you have taken the double of the number. You have multiplied the number by 2. Similarly, here also I am going to multiply this by 2. After multiplying this, what I get, or by doubling the number, I will get 16. Now this is the first step. Now the second step is, I will write this number again. Same number I am going to repeat. Okay, then finally we are going to add it. 6, 6 is 12 and 1, 1, 1, this will be 32. This is the steps, or these are the steps for solving the shortcut trick of 4. Okay, I will explain once again. See, the number we are going to take the double of the number, then we are writing the same number again and we are adding the two numbers. Okay, let's see some examples. Let's take the same example here, which was 451 into 5. Just change it to the 4. What we have to do, we are going to double the number. 49, the double is 90. The double of 1 is 2. Now again 902. This will be 1804. The answer is ready, 1804. Let's take a bigger number, or let's solve this. 6721. 6721 into 4. Double of 67 is 6, 6, 12, 134, and this is 42. Same number, you should write it again. Now you are ready with your answer, 26884. That's it friends. This is the time reducing method. and it will save you a lot of time. Let's take final example for 4. 298712. Just you should be able to divide it by 2 or multiply by 2. Therefore you can solve any problems, either it may be multiple of 3, multiple of 4, 5, 6 even. We can solve this by the same shortcut method. We are going to see the number 6 here in this video only, just the next part after solving this. Okay, 29, form the pairs 87, 12. 29, double of 29 is 58. Okay, 89, the double will be 160, sorry, 8 to the 16, 17, 174. For adding 1, you should carry the number so that the 58 now becomes 59 and 12 will become 24. Write the same number again. Just forget the number from which you have doubled the number. Now up to here there will be single digit addition. Now 14, 18, 19, 5, 10, 11. This will be your answer. Let's check it. 298712 into 4, 1194848. See friends. Okay, now let's move to the next number. The next magical number is number 6. See friends, we are going to solve the shortcut trick of 6 as the addition of 5 and 1. What we are going to do, we are splitting the 6 as 5 into 1, or precisely 1 plus 5. Okay, now you have to multiply this by 5 because here it is actually multiply of 1. This number is actually multiple of 1, so you no need to rewrite it again. Just you have to multiply the 42 into 5. We know the 45 when it is multiplied by 5, we have to half it, 21, and add a 0. That's it. The answer is 252. That's it friends. That is the answer of 42 into 6. You can check it. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 4s are 24. Now plus 1, 25. Okay, let's take some more examples. Now I will take 4-digit number directly. 8652 into 6. Again, this is actually multiple of 1. And next what we need? The multiple of 5. 5 times this number. For that sake, what you have to do? You have to just shift a digit to the left and add a 0, because finally we are getting a 0 here. So 86, half of this is 43, half of 52 is 26. That's it. You are ready with your answer. 11 9 11 5 1 9 1 2. Let's check it once. 8652 into 6. See friends, if you do not believe on this mobile, you can try it on your own mobile, or even if you can check it, cross check on your calculator. Okay, now let's move to the next largest digit number. 9 8 7 5 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. This will be the final example on 6. Hope you are getting the method. Again, this is actually multiple of 1. You have to write here multiple of 5. It is a even number, so I will add 0 finally here. Okay, let's half it. 98, this will be taken as 74, and this will be taken as 146. Okay, no need to write here 74 because of while adding you will get confused. Okay, 98, half of 98 is 49. you are shifting a digit to the left, because here 0 is added to the right extreme, so you have to shift the numbers to the left. Half of 98 is 49. Half of 75, you are not going to half the 75, you are going to less the digit by 1. 75 minus 1 will be 74. Half of that is 37. Then the remaining is 146. Half of that is 73. Okay friends, now just add it. 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 12, 14, 15, 8, 9, 12, 12, 18, 19. This is 5, 9 or 5, 9, 2, 5, 2, 7, 6. Let's check it. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 6 into 6. See the answer friends. 5, 9, 2, 5, 2, 7, 6. Let's take an odd number here, because we have solved all the 3 examples with the even number. I have said this is the last example, but for the sake of odd number, let's take one more example on 6. Let's take only 4-digit number, not necessary, the number should be big. Okay, 5, 8, 31. I have taken the last as odd number. Okay, now we are going to keep the number as it is. After then, what we are going to do, if the number is even, here in this case the number was even, here also the number was even, here also the number was even, but if the number is odd, you have to write it as 5. Here instead of 0, what you should write here, you are going to write as 5. Again, form the pairs. 58, you can take exactly half of it as 29. Then 31, you are not going to take the 31, you are going to consider one less than that, that is 30. Half of 30 is 15. Now add the numbers. This is 6, this is 5, 3, 8, this will be 9, this will be 34. Let's check it. 5831 into 6. See friends, the answer is 34986. Okay, the next magical number here is 7. Let's take an example. This is 22 into 7. You need to multiply 22 into 7. Here the method is, there will be two methods here. You can either take 1 plus 1 plus 5, or you can take directly as 2 plus 5. Okay friends, let's see the first method, 1 plus 1 plus 5. How you are going to solve this? You are going to write the number once again, because here again you have to take the multiple of 1. Multiple of 1 is again 22. Now you need to multiply the number by 5. We know the number of 5 will be 110. The multiple of 5 will be 110, because half of this is 11 and adding a 0 finally. Now take the addition. 4, 5, 154. This will be the answer. Now let's consider the second method. Suppose the number is again 22. Now what you are going to do, first you are going to double the number. By doubling the number, what you get? You will get 44. Now you are going to take the multiple 5 of this number. You are going to multiply this number by 5. For that, what we do, we will take half of the number and add a 0. That means you will get 110. You are going to write it here, 154. Here we are adding 2 plus 5, but here we are taking as 1 plus 1 plus 5. This method will be more easy, because you can directly write it one below the above, and you can take the half. Here you have to double it once and then you have to take the half of it. I prefer this method. You can choose any method between them. Okay, let's see examples. 146 into 7. Okay, I am going to write it once again. Now I am multiplying the number by 5. It is an even number, so you have to take a 0 and shift the numbers to the left. The half of 14 is 0, 7. Half of 6 is 3. Okay, 730 will be the answer of 146 into 5. Finally, the answer is 2. 4 3s are 12. 7 8 9 10. 1022. Let's check the answer. 7 6 are 42. 7 4 are 28 plus 4 32. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. Here you can directly get the answer. Let's take a big digit number. Let's take a 5-digit number. 5 4 7 6, and finally let it be an odd number, 1 into 7. What you have to do, you are going to write the number once again as it is. Then as it is an odd number, you have to write 5 here. If it was an even number, you will write 0. As it is an odd number, so you have to write here 5. Okay, that is multiply of 5, either it will be 0 or 5. You know this is very basics, no need to explain it. Okay, now what we have to do, we should take the half. Now the half of 54 is 27. Don't write below this, you are shifting it by a single digit because we have additionally taken here 5. Okay, half of 54 is 27. Now half of 76, how much it is? 38. Okay, half of 1 is 0.5. No need to write here 0.5 because you are multiplying this by 10, so the decimal will move to the last, so no need to write it there again. Okay, 5 6 7, 6 6 12, 8 to the 16 plus 7 23, 14 and 8 22 23, right, it is correct. Then again 4 is 12 13, 5 to 10 18, 38. The answer is 383 327. Let's check it. 54761 into 7 equal to, see friends, the answer is 383 and 327. So today we will stop here and you will be getting number of short tricks further. The next numbers will be 9, then 11, then 12, 13, 15. There are many numbers and many shortcut tricks we are going to see. So if you enjoyed the lecture and if you are enjoying the tricks, please do subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and the close ones. Thank you. Let's see you in the next video.